Hey everyone, Dave Sports Cards here, back with another break. Decided I will do the second jumbo on camera. If you guys haven't seen my first one, go ahead and check that out. But again, 2 packs of the exclusive Series 2. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on the base. Kind of go through them kind of quickly, a little bit quicker than I did in the last video. Got a blue in this one, that's cool. George Brett, Ernie Banks, Anthony Rizzo, and can't read the name. Cody Bellinger. Man, those names are hard to read on this. Cody Bellinger. And that is numbered 64 of 150. God, it's hard to read these with a glare. It's hard to even see them. 64 of 150, Cody Bellinger, blue. Really pretty card. The blue goes well with the Dodgers. We'll say that. It's perfect. And the second pack. Tony Gwynn, Tougie Toussaint rookie, Frank Thomas, and Mariano Rivera. So I really love these cards. These exclusives are nice looking. So Bellinger blue out of 150, but here we go, 2019 Topps Series 2 Jumbo. Hopefully I don't have damaged cards. Now I do know that these 2 Jumbos came from 2 separate cases. I got the last, one Jumbo was the last remaining one out of 1 case, and then he opened up a fresh case and gave me one out of a fresh case, so hopefully it was only an issue with that case, and I don't have that issue with these as well. I am going to have to kind of keep this quick because I don't know why, but my camera battery is going to die soon. I gave it a charge for quite a while before I did this video. I don't know. I wonder if I need to get a new camera battery. I'm not going to spend too much time on this. Gold of Keon Broxton. If you guys want a better look, go ahead and check out my first video. Billy McKinney Rainbow. Sam Musial, insert. Ozzie Albies, insert. And the base. Man, more ding corners. You gotta be kidding me. These came out of 2 separate cases. That's ridiculous. You're probably not going to see it. Yep, dinged corners. Just barely dinged, but dinged nonetheless. Figures. No, that's a dinged one. That card's junk. Tarpley rookie. Oh, wow. That's nice. A black Justice Sheffield black insert rookie. Numbered out of 299. So that's pretty cool. That's nice looking. And the corners look decent, so that's nice. Actually, I want to kind of keep these somewhat separated. So that's kind of nice. Arrow Muna. Yeah, that guy. Rainbow. Miles Straw. That is a variation. So Miles Straw, rookie variation. Jeff Bagwell insert. Patrick Wisdom insert. Tigers. I think they lost like 14-3 yesterday. I watched part of the game. I was at the bar and they had the game on. I said, you know what? I'll watch the Tigers. Get their butts handed to them, and it was going okay, and then all of a sudden it just went south. I don't know. I looked away from the TV for about 6 minutes, and I look up, and it's like 10-3, and it's like I don't even understand what just happened. Yeah, that was bad. Frazier. Austin Romine Gold, 2019. Oh, that's interesting. It's a 150-year parallel of the faces of the franchise. Insert John Gant, 150. Oh, wow, look at that. Felix Hernandez. Variation. That's a crazy looking uniform. I like that. So that's cool. Take that. Jackie Robinson, iconic card. Insert Jalen Beeks, rookie. Yeah, short prints are definitely not hard to get. I'm trying to look out for the main rookie names. Tatis, Jimenez, Alonso. Oh, I'm forgetting the other ones. I'm not even going to mess with trying to sort these right now. Culberson, gold. I was trying to separate inserts and parallels, and I'm not doing well. Felix Hernandez, rainbow. Greatest moments, David Freese. Insert. Ryan Sandberg. Insert. Austin Romine. I'm just kind of looking for the main names. Guerrero Jr., looking for them. There are some good rookies to get out of series too, so. Miles Straw base. Kyle Wright. I'm trying to read all these upside down. What is that? I don't think that's a parallel or anything. Ends in 62, so I don't think it's a parallel. And I'm going to have to swap these. Lance Lynn, 150 parallel. Jeremy Jeffress, significant statistics. Bryce Harper, insert. John Hicks. Otani. Alright. Kind of went through that kind of fast on the first one, so I may have missed one of the key rookies. But I'm just trying not to bore you guys all with a massive amount of base. So, here we go. Jose Braceno, insert rookie. I'm not seeing any more damaged corners, so that's cool. Of course, they're upside down again. Alright, gold of Brad Hand. Jeffrey Springs, 150. Harrison Bader, insert. And Bryce Harper. And that is just a standard medallion card. Heavy card, that's for sure. It's so weird seeing him in a Phillies uniform. But 150 years medallion. So there's the manufactured hit. Looks like the relic is in this pack. Tatis. There's that one. Gary V. Jose Ramirez. Interesting. Looks like an interesting relic. Manny Machado, home run challenge. Lefty Grove, Grace Players, Aaron Judge, insert, and the hit. Oh, nice. I'll take that. I'll take that. Chris Davis. Significant statistics. Auto relic. Number 36 of 50. Yep, I'll take that. That's pretty cool. That's awesome. See, this is why I like doing jumbo. This is why I prefer jumbo over hobby. I've done way better in jumbos than I have hobby. So, pretty awesome. Chris Davis, significant statistics, auto relic. So, very cool. Definitely happy with that. Out of 50. That's awesome. Nice one for the collection. And I haven't seen any more ding corners, so that's pretty cool. Seems like it was just that maybe first pack in this box that had ding corners. Of course, when you okay, see, like that's the problem right there. Is I think it's in their pack out process, or when they're actually sealing them, you get these cards that stick out from each other, and like that one there, you can see that one's just torn up right there. Yeah, that's the problem. That's probably what doing it right there. There we go. Drew Verhagen, gold, 2019. Dexter Fowler. Oh, this is neat. Faces of the franchise, Cabrera, Cobb, and Kaline. I definitely like that one. Longoria, 150, Brad Keller, rookie insert. Okay, now that one's messed up on the edge. Holy cow, that's bad. I'm going to have to go through these and pull out all the damaged ones for you. Yeah, like, oh, wow, that's bad. That one I can tell right away. Oh, yeah, that one's bad. I think just because of all the damage cards I've gotten, I'll be lucky to get a complete set, like, of near mint cards, I guess. Just with all the damaged ones I'm going to end up pulling out of here. So, it's unfortunate. I probably went right by. I probably pulled the other key rookies and didn't even realize. Oh, wow, look at another Tatis. Followed by Gerard Dyson again. That seems to be the correlation, or the collation right there. That's the second time I've noticed that. A Tatis right ahead of a Gerard Dyson, so maybe that's just the collation. I think this is a blue Eddie Murray Greatest Players blue parallel. And it's got a dinged edge. Austin Tyler gold. Oh, okay, this is cool. Throwback logo. Felix Hernandez. Put these down. That's pretty cool. Out of 99. 91 and 99. That's the throwback Topps logo. It's definitely a thicker card stock and a more of a cardboard feel back to it. So that's pretty cool. I guess I'll set that right there. Castillo, rookie, 150. Ken Griffey Jr. Insert. Yep, that guy. I'm not even going to try with that name. Oh man, more ding corners. I don't understand. I've never gotten so many dinged corners and damaged cards ever. Pete Alonso. That one looks good, so that's cool. And Eloy Jimenez, and that one looks good. So that's pretty cool. At least the key rookies are looking okay. Take that. And the last pack, which should be Another fat card. Okay. Another fat one. Okay, interesting. I wonder if this is a patch. Man, that'd be cool. More dinged corners. I don't understand. I've never said dinged corners as many times in any of my other videos combined than I have in this one video here, I feel. Well, at least the hits seem to be making up for Kristen Stewart rookie. Shufo rookie. Yeah, that guy. Interesting. Victor Reyes rookie. DJ Stewart rookie. Josh Rogers rookie. Try to keep this video short. Yeah, it's here we are rolling up on 16 minutes. Carlos Carrasco, gold. 2019. Alex Verdugo, Future Stars. Let's see. Technology Evolution. Wow, check that out. Field Umpire. Oh, this is going to be an interesting card. Daniel Ponce de Leon. And what do we have here? The Red Sox. What? That's pretty cool. So it's not a patch, but man, I'll take that. Carl Yastrzemski. Game used bat. Number 14 of 25. Okay. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I'll take that. That is a massively thick card. Yeah, I thought that'd be a patch, but man, Carl Yastrzemski. I'll take it. I don't think I have anything Yastrzemski, so that's pretty cool. 14 of 25, 35th anniversary 84 baseball all-star relic card. Wow. Yeah, I'll take that. Sweet. This was definitely a lot better box. Still a lot of quality control issues, a lot of dinged corners and edges and stuff. But it looks like my parallels and my variations and my key rookies are fine, so there is that at least. This was definitely a nice box. First one wasn't bad, first box. If you guys haven't seen it, check it out. But, the Justice Sheffield, I'm kind of surprised at the, with black cards, you can get a lot of whiting. There is a tiny bit of whiting on this, but not as much as I would have expected, so that's pretty cool. In the silver packs, I got the Bellinger, auto 150, blue, so that's pretty cool. The hits... Bryce Harper, the 150-year medallion thing. Like I said, I don't buy the jumbos for these. I buy the jumbos because you are almost guaranteed a complete base set. So if there's any key rookies, you're almost guaranteed to get them. And then I like the fact that you do get 2 main hits. So Carl Yastrzemski, bat relic out of 25, and the Chris Davis auto relic out of 50, so I'm happy with this box. Can't complain about that. I don't think I actually showed you guys the odds in this one. I showed the odds in the first video. I'll quick bring them up here. You guys want to pause that and check that out if you can read it through the glare. Apologize for that. But yeah, definitely. Overall, I'm happy with these two jumbos that I opened. Like I said, other than the damaged and dinged corners, I think I did fairly well on some parallels and variations, and definitely with the hits, definitely in this box. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my next one.